Today's news, January 25th, German Economy Minister says no signs of a market recession. In the annual government economic report published on Wednesday, the German Economy Minister said that they do not see signs of a market recession as feared by many market participants, as reported by Reuters. The publication revealed that the gross domestic product, GDP, is forecast to expand by 0.2% this year, and inflation is expected to be 6% in 2023, compared to 7% in the autumn forecast. This decreased inflation is the strongest reason why institutional traders have been willing to take on risk, purchasing currencies that are attractive in a so-called risk-on attitude, or being interested to purchase assets or currencies that normally gain from a a positive investing environment. Typical currencies that benefit in positive market outlook are four, namely euro, sterling pound, Australian dollar, and Kiwi dollar, which I want to show you from the following graphs today, January 25th. These four currencies goes against the US dollar currency. In other words, if the dollar is weak, as it is these days, the euro, the sterling pound, the Australian dollar, and the Kiwi dollar are strong, and vice versa. I also would like to mention that the Canadian dollar usually also gets weaker, like the US dollar, relative to the euro, the sterling pound, the Aussie dollar, and the Kiwi dollar. And I would like to begin to show you the euro dollar graph. You're looking at it here. It's the daily chart. And we can see the market reaction. It showed no immediate reaction to these numbers today from the German Economy Minister. And you can see that these numbers was at the top, last seen trading at 1.0910 to 1.0858 down here. So this is the range today. So we can also see that in a technical analysis, I have drawn horizontal lines from this very strong daily pin bar, as you can see here. I have also mentioned this strong daily pin bar, bearish hammer, so to speak, with other words, in my video a couple of days ago regarding the euro-dollar pair. I can show you. This is my page. Yes, it was 5 days ago I released this video. And I told you in that video 5 days ago to go short somewhere 60% of Fibonacci level of this structure, this pin bar here, at about here is the 60% at 1.0843 level. So somewhere like here is a sell, a supply zone, but which is very common regarding forex trading is that it's a little bit tricky. It doesn't always do what you want to do. And in this case, I actually anticipated that the price could go above the top of the mother bar here at 1.089 level, approximately here, as you can see this week And it's very bearish still, despite it went up from here to here. As we can see that the price, the market participants really don't want to take this price higher. This was a bull trap, because you can see we have a wick on the upside here above this mother bar top high here. So we can see some rejections here for 3 days, 1, 2, and this is today, Wednesday. So 3 days of rejection of the price above this level here of the top of the mother bar. We can also see how it looks like the pound versus the US dollar pair. Same thing here. You can see it's bullish from the here up to here. And actually it went up for a double top here. So it looks very bearish to me. I think this trade could go up here in a bull trap, slightly above this level, and reach 1.25. No, not that high, but slightly below 1.25 in this region, and then rotates down. So this pound dollar and euro dollar has the same pattern. All it's risk on attitude, and the US dollar is weak. Let's have a look at the Aussie dollar versus the US dollar. Here we have it. It's same thing here. Strong uptrend for the Aussie dollar. Or with other words, a strong downtrend for the US dollar. So this is typical what I was talking about, that risk is on, there's a positive attitude. Market participants and traders are willing to take risk. So therefore they bought the euro or the pound or the Aussie dollar or the Kiwi dollar. And finally, the fourth currency I would like to show is the Kiwi dollar. The Kiwi versus US dollar. As you can see, the same pattern here, uptrend. And also look very bearish. It's a triple top here, 1, 2, 3. It looks very bearish. I actually I don't show my sell limit orders because it's so messy. I want to show you clean charts, so I don't show them. And also the same, it's regarding euro versus Canadian dollar, as I was mentioning. When the US dollar are weak, usually also the Canadian dollar is also weak, like the US dollar. As you can see here, euro went very strong here regarding or relative to Canadian dollar. So this is all because of that the inflation has decreased, as I was mentioning, to 6% compared to 7% in the autumn forecast, as I was mentioning earlier in this video. I would like to show you my Facebook page, my financial Facebook page, Andre M, hedge fund manager. And I will show you my address here, my Facebook page. I will paste it in my video, in my text video, so you can watch it, because I post a lot of my trades here, my winning trades. You can see lots of them here. For instance, January 18th, I went short regarding London Stock Exchange, FTSE 100. And in just 2 hours, I made $4,500 in just 2 hours here. So you can see my profits. And now, today, this graph is somewhere like here, in this region, at 78.30. And you can visit it and watch my success, how I work. And you can also see here that I offer trading signals entries. And you can read here, I have a return on investment plus almost 71% since January the 1st. So for about 12 months, I have 71% in profits. And when the market crashes or there are some worries globally, I usually make huge of profits. I just want to mention in March last year when President Putin invaded Ukraine, the first 2 weeks of that Ukraine war, I made 21% in profit in just 2 weeks. So my skills are very strong when it gets worried or when it's a financial crisis or stock market crisis. I almost make a lot of profits during these circumstances in the world. Okay, I hope you liked my video, and don't forget to follow my Facebook page. It doesn't cost you anything. It's linked to my Facebook page. So what I'm talking about here, I sometimes also post on my Facebook page. And I also want to show you photo screenshots that what I'm talking about is true. I want to validate that my words are not any BS, so you can feel confident over my skills and my gains and profits. Because as I was mentioning, I'm selling trading signals for only $42 monthly. That's only what you have to pay to get this extreme profit every quarter or every year. So that's a bargain. I will not have this low fee that much any longer. But this is an offer to have this low fee to get more customers. And I have a lot of very content customers. And you can see that on my YouTube channel here, on comments. Okay, take care, and I will most likely post an follow-up video and see how it goes regarding the euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, and the Kiwi dollar. And I strongly believe that those currency pairs will drop heavily soon, very soon, at any moment. And I also think that the US dollar will get stronger. Okay, bye for now. Take care. And don't forget to click on the subscriber button. I do this for free. So you will most likely gain a lot to follow my YouTube channel here and making good profits. Bye for now.